this video I am going to explain you how you can use Google Web Stories in WordPress website. In detailed information will be given to you, so watch this video till the end. To do this process, first of all you need to log into your WordPress website with your credentials. After that you need to go to plugins, click on add new. In search plugins you need to type in Web Stories. Scroll down and you will see this plugin Web Stories by Google. So click on install now. So once the plugin is installed, click on activate. Now you are done. Herein you can see this option stories. So to add a story, first of all you require some photographs and some liners. So I have added these photos, these 3 photos I have added. So I will go to media and upload these photos. So I am adding these 3 photos and just giving you an example. You can see now these photos are now uploaded. Now I will go to this option, stories. I need to click on this option, first option. This is the example of the web stories. So I will create a new story. This dashboard will open up. I need to click on this upload, and you can see these are the stories which I have already uploaded. So select the first one, click on insert image. So you can see image is now showing. So I have some text as well, so I will copy the first liner. Make sure that text should not be more than 1 liner. Resize this image accordingly, like you can increase the height or width accordingly, like this. Now you can add text, add title, you can add the content like this. You can change the color. Like this. And now you can click on new page and you can add another image here. I'm just giving you an example. Add text. Now add the third picture. And add text. Now you can simply click on publish. You can add the title and description for better SEO. You can see now you can view the story. Now it is looking good. I hope friends now you will be able to use web story using the best plugin, and I will also share you the link of the plugin in the description of this video. I hope friend this is useful video for you. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.